Hello. In this video, we will learn about applying number formats in Excel.
Let's look at number formatting. So on this side, we have these numbers in plain format without adding any format. We have percentage, currency, accounting. But on the other side, we have the same numbers with formatting applied to show that they are numbers with 2 decimal points, percentages, currency, and accounting. So as you can see, number formatting helps to improve the readability of your worksheets. We can have different number formats like percentage, currency, accounting. These are the main 4 types of number formats. You have the number, percentage, currency, and accounting. When you want to work with number formats, we go to the Home tab, and in that ribbon, under the number group, we have the formatting options. So the formatting commands are located over here. So if we just type in a number into Excel and we check the number format, the default number format is general. So this means if I type in a number, it will just display without any formatting applied. So it's important to understand that formatting is applied to the cell and not the number underlying it. So if I go into this accounting cell, the first cell, if you look at here, you see the format applied is accounting. But if you go to the formula bar, you see the number is just 100, like here. Then if you go to the currency, again, it has changed to currency format. But if you look at the formula bar, it's just plain 100. So here also, if you look at the number, it has 2 decimal points here and it's number format. But if you look at the formula bar, it's just a plain 100. So basically, formatting is like a makeup applied on top of the number. And it doesn't affect the real number that is underlying in the cell. So let's look at how we can apply these number formats to these numbers over here. So they look like the numbers that are over here. So as you can see, there are 2 decimal points. And if I click in here, it says number. So the number format applied is number. So I can select all of these plain numbers over here. Go to the format drop down. And from there, I can select number. So earlier it was general. Now I select number. And see, number formatting has been applied. So it has changed from the previous general number to a number with 2 decimal points. And we can do the same thing to percentage. So if I select all of this, I can select percentage from here. But here, see what happens. Here I got 1%, but here it has become 100%. The 2% is also, this is 200%. So if I undo, the reason is we have to divide all of these numbers by 100 before I convert it to a percentage. So to do that, what we can do is we can just type in. So 1 divided by 100 is 0.01. And 2 divided by 100 is 0.02. So now if I apply number formatting, percentage, I can apply from here as well, or I can apply from here. Now it has become 2% and 1%. 2 decimal points have come, but I can reduce that from going to decrease decimal. So remember, whenever you want to convert some number into percentage, first you need to divide it by 100. You can also use a formula that like I have done here. What I done is taken percentage 1 and divide by 100. And same for all of the other numbers. Then once I convert to percentage, you get the right number. So for here, I can take this, divide by 100. Copy down. And now if I put the percentage format, now it looks fine. Let's look at the currency format. So if I want to apply currency format, I select these cells, go to the formatting box and select currency. So here I get the sterling pounds because we are based in UK and that's the default currency. But still, if you want to change, you can change the currency format to a different currency. So to do that, you can go into this arrow here. And from currency, you can see the symbol. At the moment, it's sterling pound. I can change it to some other currency from here. For example, US dollar. Now it has become US dollar. Then I can also change to accounting format. Again, I select everything, go to the formatting drop down and select accounting. So again, sterling pounds has been applied. So the difference between currency and accounting is that this currency symbol is appearing on the left-hand corner. Whereas in currency, it's just next to the number. So here it's much more easier for you to read when you apply the accounting format. So those are the key number formats and how to apply them.
Thanks for watching.